Welcome back to Car Care Review Central. Today, you'll get a full 60-minute professional car detailing lesson, packed with the best tips, expert tricks, mistakes to avoid, and techniques you can apply at home using basic tools. Whether you're a beginner or have been detailing for years, I'll guide you step by step so your car looks as fresh as when it left the dealership. Let's begin. Every great detail starts with preparation. Proper setup saves time and prevents scratches. Choose a shaded spot or garage. Avoid sunlight to prevent soap spots. Arrange your tools, buckets, mitts, brushes, and towels. Inspect the car. Paint, wheels, contamination, sap, tar. Remove personal items. Open doors and trunk to allow airflow. Do a quick vacuum to remove loose debris before washing with water. Now let's wash the car like the pros do. The 2-bucket wash method is the foundation for swirl-free detailing. Bucket 1 contains soap. Bucket 2 holds clean rinse water. Use grit guards in both buckets. Choose a microfiber mitt, not a sponge. Wash from top to bottom. Never reuse wash water. Rinse frequently to avoid dragging dirt. Finish with a rinse using free-flowing water to minimize spots. Your wheels collect the most dirt, so clean them before washing or last, but always with separate tools. Use a dedicated bucket for wheels. Apply iron remover, safe for clear-coated wheels. Use wheel brushes, barrel brush, lug brush, tire degreaser, and a stiff brush. Rinse thoroughly. Optionally, apply tire shine, satin for a professional look, glossy for a show look. Even a clean car can feel rough. Clay removes bonded contaminants. Use a clay bar or clay mitt. Lubrication is essential. Never clay dry. Apply light pressure. Work panel by panel. After claying, the paint should feel as smooth as glass. Follow up with an IPA wipe to prepare the paint for polishing. No step improves your finish more than polishing. Explain the difference, compound versus polish. Dual-action polishers are safest for beginners. Use 3 to 4 pea-sized dots of polish. Prime the pad first. Work in 2 by 2 foot areas with slow movements. Move your arm quickly, applying light pressure. Remove any residue with a clean microfiber cloth. Use an LED light to inspect the results. Protection helps your hard work last longer. There are 3 types of protection. Wax provides a warm glow and lasts 4 to 6 weeks. Sealants are more modern and last for 4 to 6 months. Ceramic coatings, hydrophobic, and last between 1 and 3 years. Apply thin layers for the best results, focusing on one panel at a time. Use a crosshatch motion to ensure even coverage. Use 3 towels, 1 towel to apply, 1 to level, and a final 1 to buff. Don't let the wax dry too long. Detailers safely clean the engine bay to restore a like-new appearance. Cover the battery and any exposed electronics. This step is optional. Use an all-purpose cleaner diluted 10 to 1 and agitate with a soft brush. Rinse lightly with low pressure. Apply a dressing to plastics and hoses that gives a satin finish, similar to the original equipment manufacturer, OEM look. Now let's move inside, where most people spend their time. Vacuum thoroughly and use an interior brush on vents. Use an all-purpose cleaner to clean plastic surfaces.
Use a leather cleaner followed by a leather conditioner. For carpet stains, use a drill brush with carpet shampoo.
Clean glass is what differentiates amateur work from professional work. Use 2 microfiber towels, 1 for cleaning and 1 for buffing. Use straight lines inside and outside to avoid swirl patterns. Glass polish removes haze and water spots. Carefully finish the edges. Faded trim can ruin a clean detail, but restoring it is simple. Use a trim restorer or ceramic trim coating. Clean the trim first with APC. Apply with a foam applicator and let it absorb into the plastic. Wipe off any excess and avoid getting product on the paint. Professional detailers apply tire shine differently. Apply tire shine only to clean, dry tires. Select a satin finish for a classy OEM appearance. A gloss finish is optional and usually reserved for show cars. Use a foam applicator and never spray tire shine directly onto the tires. Allow the shine to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe off any excess to prevent sling. Now for the finishing touches. This is what separates professionals from everyone else. Walk around with an LED light checking door jambs, the fuel door, and trunk crevices. Wipe off any fingerprints. Vacuum the final carpet lines. Add a subtle air freshener with a neutral scent. Touch up the tires and spray a quick sealant to add extra gloss to the paint. And that concludes the full 60-minute professional detailing session. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Car Care Review Central and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next detail.